Hello, myself Mohammad Jilani from CSE B section. My TikTok topic is about chi-square distribution and its properties. First of all, we will know about introduction of chi-square. The chi-square test is one of the most commonly used non-parametric tests in which the sampling distribution of the test statistics is a chi-square distribution when the null hypothesis is true. It was introduced by Karl Persson as a test of association. The Greek letter x square is used to denote this test. It can be applied when there are few or no assumptions about the population parameter. It can be applied on character data of equivalent or equality data using a contingence table used to evaluate unpaid unrelated samples and properties. Chi-square distribution. The distribution of the chi-square statistics is called the chi-square distribution. The chi-squared distribution with k degrees of freedom is the distribution of a sum of the squares of k independent standard normal random variable. It is determined by a degrees of freedom. The simplest chi-square distribution is the square of a standard normal distribution. The chi-squared distribution is used primarily in hypothesis testing. Here we can see the chi-square curve with t is equals to 1 into c is equals to 1 is df. The chi-square distribution has the following properties. The mean of the distribution is equal to the number of degrees of freedom mu is equals to v. The variance is equal to 2 times the number of degrees of freedom. Pi square is equal to 2 into v. We can see this graph. There are at x-axis we have 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 at y-axis. At x-axis 0, 0, 5, 10, 15 and y-axis 0, 0.1, 0.2 so on. We can see there are 3 degrees, 2 degrees of freedom, 4 degrees of freedom and 10 degrees of freedom. The x-square distribution is not symmetrical and all the values are positive. The distribution is described by the degrees of freedom. For each degrees of freedom, we have asymmetrical curves which are represented on the graph. We can see at x-axis we have 0, 0.0, 0.2, 0.4 and 0.6 so on, and y-axis 0, 5, 10. We can see the points v is equals to 1, v is equals to 2 and v is equals to 3, v is equals to 4 and v is equals to 5. As the degrees of freedom increase, the chi-square curve approaches a normal distribution. We can see this graph how the chi-square curve approaches a normal distribution at x-axis and y-axis. There are the points as 1df, 4df and 6df. The chi-square distribution for varying degrees of freedom is known as this. Cumulative probability and the chi-square distribution. The chi-square distribution is constructed so that the total area under the curve is equal to 1. The area under the curve between 0 and a particular chi-square value is a cumulative probability associated with the chi-square value. Example, the shaped area represent a cumulative probability associated with a chi-square statistics equal to A. That is, it is the probability that the value of a chi-square statistics will fall between 0 and A. We can see in this graph how the value fall between 0 and A. Contingence table. A contingence table is a type of a table in a matrix format that displays the frequency distribution of the value variable. They provide a basic picture of a in relation between two variables and can help find interaction between them. We can see these tables which we have row and columns like matrix A, B, R1, C, D, R2, C1, C2 and N. The chi-square statistics compares the observed count in each table cell to the count which will be except under the assumptions of no association between the row and column classification. Degrees of freedom. The number of independent pieces of information which are free to vary that go into the estimation of parameter is called the degrees of freedom. In general, the degrees of freedom of an estimate of a parameter is equal to the number of independent codes score that go into the estimate minutes the number of parameter used as intermediate steps in the estimation of the parameter itself. Example, the sample variance as n 1 degrees of freedom since it is computed from n random scores means the only one parameter estimated the intermediate step which is the sample mean. The number of degrees of freedom from n observation is nk and it is usually denoted v where k is the number of independent linear constants imposed upon them. It is the only parameter of the chi-square distribution. The degrees of a freedom a chi-square contingence table can be calculated as v is equals to number of rows minus 1 into number of columns minus 1. Chi-square formula. The chi-square test is used to determine whether there is a significant difference between the accept frequency and the observation frequency in one or more categories. The value of x square is calculated as x square is equals to sigma oi minus ei whole square by ei is equal to oi minus ei whole square by ei plus o2 minus e2 whole square by e2 plus o3 minus e3 whole square by e3 plus so on plus on minus en whole square by en, where o1 o2 o3 so on are the observed frequency and the e1 e2 e3 so on en are the corresponding accepts or theoretical frequencies. The observed frequency of the frequencies obtained from the observation which are sample frequency that accepts frequency are the calculated frequency. Characteristics of chi-square test. It is often regarded a non-parametric test where no parametric regarding the reddit of population are required such as mean and the SD. It is based on frequency. It encompasses the additive property of difference between observed and accept frequency. It tests the hypothesis about the independence of attributes. It is preferred in analyzing complex contingency tables. Thank you.